2.0994421-30. This well-maintained 2009 Ford Focus front-wheel drive 2.0 Li4 CD stereo WO, 33 mpg, alloy wheels and Sangria Red has just 54,626 miles. Automatic transmission. Woody's Automotive Group. We are proud to offer a high-quality selection of pre-owned vehicles, automatic transmission, competitive prices. Call us today. Automatic transmission 877-271-1228 to speak with one of our knowledgeable sales representatives and schedule a test drive. www.woodysdjc.com. Wow HTM. Click here to read why we're different. A Woody's is an honest, upfront, one-price dealership. When it comes to price, we're third-party verified, among the lowest in the nation. This vehicle is certified with a B pre-owned warranty. B automatic transmission, no cost to you. A ref.